Big news! We are launching the Building AI Application Challenge with GITEX. The day zero has just kicked off yesterday for the Building AI Application Challenge, and the excitement is already building. This is an 8-day hands-on experience where you will take your idea from a concept all the way to a working AI application. When is this happening? This is happening on the 27th of September to the 5th of October, where the announcement is going to, the final submission is going to happen, and the announcement of the winners is going to happen in the GITEX main stage on October 13th, that is at 4 p.m. GST. What is it in for you? Up to 6,900 in scholarships. For the top 3 people, $300 worth of all-access GITEX pass and an exclusive early bird prize for the first registrants right now. This challenge is for anyone who wants to build. It can be students, developers, AI enthusiasts who want a practical experience, a chance to showcase their skills, and an opportunity to win big. The seats are limited and the day zero has already started. In this website you will get little bit details about everything that is here. If you can see, this is the early bird price, which is going to double soon when we hit a limit. We have been doing this for the 8th time right now, so we have seen a lot of engagement and a lot of enthusiasm in this. The best thing is you will build and launch your own idea. You have something in your mind going on for a couple of years, but you want to get a platform to actually build it. Global showcase, not only in our community of 170,000 people, but also in global GITEX, which is a biggest tech event in the world. Prizes are there, who are going to do the final submissions and who are going to win according to the judges. The full scholarship to AI residency for the first one. The second one is our AI for builders, and the third one is our AI executive. And the top 15 people get scholarships in tiers from 80% to 60%, that is there. The daily checkpoints are there, small videos to guide you of how to build applications step by step, some ideas that are there. Day zero has already begun as mentioned, so you will get access to some basic support materials to get you started rolling an ideation of what you want to actually do. There are going to be mentors in the community who are going to guide you of the steps that are there. To simplify, this time we have 2 paths, the LLM and the API integration path. People who have already a level 5 of understanding about Python and they want to put things together, this is a good way for them to go. If you are starting out, no problem. There is no code, low code tools for the non-technical builders. There are a lot of AI platforms in our AI builder vault, which you get access at a very small fee. You will be seeing 20 plus no code, low code tools that you can pick up and start using. Plus we have free supporting videos also in our YouTube channel to get you started with some ideas. Who should join? I've already mentioned anyone who is interested in building a career. Gone are the days where you just see videos and plan things to do. Action, build. That is what we are positioning right now. Already day zero has started. Day one is going to start on September 27th, but you have approximately 46 days to plan what you want to do and execute on those days that are there. So that's the reason why we are launching it early, and we are giving people the opportunity to take the early bird prize that is there. This is something that is there which is very, very important. Sign up, start doing the day zero, get all the resources, start building your Word document for your submission. And then innovation, technical execution, real world usefulness, and the presentation. So end of the day, October 13th, 4 p.m. in the GITEX stage, this is going to get announced. Any questions, you can mail us here. Click the link right now. Join now. We already have 4 people. We just announced this yesterday night. Thank you very much, and keep the day rolling. The seats are limited. Day zero has begun. Click the link, secure your post, and let's start building together.